Today we're changing spark plugs. We start by taking out the battery and then prepping the spark plugs recommended by our tuner. First we remove the coil pack and then we can access the spark plug to take it out and inspect it. We install the new spark plug, torque it down, and tighten up the coil pack. Now we can move on to cylinder 4, which is a little less easy than cylinder 2, but it's the same process. Remove coil pack and remove old spark plug. Even though these come pre-gapped, we always want to double check. Now that it's verified, we install cylinder 4 spark plug, torque it down, and install the coil pack. To get to cylinders 1 and 3, we have to remove the turbo inlet and air filter. Now we just do the same process that we did on 2 and 4. Don't be discouraged if you feel like these cylinders are harder than the other side. I personally found these to suck, with the frame rail being right in the way. I think it's safe to say you can honestly say this is about a 2 to 3 hour job. After cylinders 1 and 3 spark plugs are torqued down, coil packs are reinstalled and tightened, we can reinstall the turbo inlet, air filter, and battery. Now that it's all good, ready to go racing.